Okay, so I'm about to calibrate this cream machine. Already removed everything from there and clean the inside. All the ice built up, I already cleaned that out. It's the front of the panel with all the sizes, and down here, so I'm having a bit of problem with the milk. Whenever you change the bags, the milk no longer give the correct portion. You have to recalibrate. So that's why I'm actually in here now to check the wires to see what's going on in there. And up there, that's the solenoid for the cream and for the milk. So that's what allow the machine to dispense. So I remove the plunger and also the hosing clamp that clamp the cream bag hose when you put it in the machine. Okay, so I remove these. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean them, because as you can see there are lots of cream built up on there that need to be cleaned. That also caused the machine not to dispense properly, so I have to clean all of that and put it back in and make sure that everything is nice and clean, so I can get the correct dispensing when I put in the cream and milk and calibrate the machine. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause for a bit. So I'm about to calibrate the cream machine here now. There it is in the calibration mode. So because I just used the fob, which is this thing that you use to program it, I just use it. So now what I will have to do is go, so I'm punching this square button until I reach P7, which says service. So when it's on service, what I'll do, I'll hold on to the extra large button that says download on the screen until you see the medium lights flashing. Then I'll release that button and the program will be saved into the machine. So it will start loading the program and it will automatically shut down and then restart. So I'm just watching it there. You will see as it start the changes there. So there you go. See all the lights come on. So I'll wait a little longer. And there you go. See it start the sequencing. Okay, so there it's now back on the actual number that whenever you have a full bag in the machine, it should show 10 liter for the milk and for the cream. So what I'll do, I'll shut the machine off. So there you go. So it's shut off there now, and I'll wait for about 10 seconds and then I'll turn back the machine on and There you go. So I'll turn it back on there now. And what it will do, it will save the program in the machine. So it will start going back to the initial until you see the 10 liter showing on the screen. And once it shows on there, then I'll cut this hose and this hose. Okay, so there you can see 10 liter on there. So what I'll do now, I'll cut the hose and the machine should be good. But after I cut the hose, then I'll do another procedure where I'll measure the cream in a calibrating tube. So I'll start with the medium single shot for the cream and also for the milk, just to make sure that I'm getting the right portion. And for the cream and the milk, it should show me it will show for the medium cream, it will show 35, and for the medium milk it will show 40 if the program is correct. Okay, so I'll just pause a bit and come back after that. Okay, so here I have my nice clean calibrating tube, and it measure the cream in milliliter. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm just gonna measure a medium shot of cream, a single shot. Okay, I'm trying to hold the camera while I maneuver the machine. So I'll just click on the medium, and there you go. So let's see how much it says. Okay, so the amount that I'm getting for the cream right now is 30. So that simply means I will still have to do some adjustment in the machine itself. Okay, so I'll check the milk, and if the milk is not correct, then I'll show you the procedure that I go through to do them both. Okay, and I'll pause a bit again. Okay, so I'm off by 1 milliliter for the milk, and I'm off by 5 milliliter for the cream. So I have to adjust the cream so I get that 5 milliliter that I'm off by, and for the milk I'll adjust it so I'll get that 1 milliliter. I might not adjust the milk because it's still within the range, but I'll see. Okay, okay. Okay, so I just went ahead and adjust the cream. So I'm gonna check to see that it's giving me the 35 milliliter now, so I'll press that medium single shot again, and there we go. And yeah, that's right on point, so I am satisfied with that calibration because I'm getting 35 milliliter, so that's good for me. Okay, thanks for watching, have a wonderful one, bye bye.